Hey guys, this is Scott from Everyday Home Repair. I wanted to take a couple minutes and walk you through a completed project that we were doing. So we had a small 600 square foot apartment. Had walked you through a couple times before. So if you haven't seen those videos of the original state of the apartment and then kind of midway through, go ahead and click. I'll put them right there. You can jump back and kind of get some of the background of what we were doing. So this is a small 600 square foot apartment, just a little bit more, that we're going to use for short-term rental, like an executive rental, maybe 2, 3 months, 6 months stay, and then fill the gaps with Airbnb. So we really needed to go all the way through. It's fully furnished, and it looks great. So I'm really pumped about it. And actually, just a couple minutes, the first tenant's going to be showing up here, and I'll just give you a walkthrough. So stay tuned. Starting off here in the kitchen, you can see we went with a white shaker, and we had talked about in the last video. That's from Cabinet Giant. Butcher block countertop, kind of doing the daily mineral oil for it right now to get it conditioned, so it's a little more stain resistant. That looks great. Also have a little kitchen island there to give a little bit more countertop space. Have some storage there underneath as well. Kind of a cool little bonus here. So that is, let me take it down here. Built-in ironing board. You don't get those every day. Kind of cool. So that was there originally. We left it in. I think a nice little touch. Redid it. Put a new fabric on top. Painted it. Looks good. Okay, so if you watch those other two videos, you'll see that we boxed in the washer and dryer. So that is a stackable washer and dryer closet. And then we went with kind of a whirlpool combo for all the different appliances. They look awesome. So I'm really pleased, honestly. It's a small kitchen, but I'm really pleased with the overall finish. To give you an idea on the numbers, this overall project will probably come in just shy of $30,000 to redo it. And honestly, this is the best timeline I've ever kept. So I was pretty active daily in getting materials and helping out. But then I had about 2 or 3 guys here every day working. So there's the table, get a little color in here. The furniture that you'll see is pretty much all Wayfair. With the appliances and the furniture, it was about $5,000, which was under my original estimated budget. So the exception here is, especially if you're familiar with IKEA, the chairs from IKEA and then the coffee table are from IKEA. And then we got that couch locally at a place called Furniture Row. But overall looks awesome. The trim is 3 1/4 inch pine, 1/2 inch thick, and then the base is about a 5 1/4 inch. Gives it a good look and offsets well with the gray walls, which is a repost gray from Sherwin-Williams. Again, entertainment center, that was from Wayfair. I'll put in the description, I'll put a full breakdown of all the different furniture. And I'll even, if you've ever ordered furniture online, you know that it can be sometimes a pain in the butt to assemble. So I'll kind of give you an estimated time to assemble, and then also my kind of out of 5 stars, what's the quality of it. Some of these pieces are good, and some of these pieces are not so good. So you'll get that in the description for this video. All right, so this would be bedroom 1. So we're outfitting it with a desk chair, full bed, and then also there'll be a dresser. One thing we had to contend with was there's a bar here that's actually radiant heat, so hot water going through there. So I was able to get off Wayfair a bed frame that then I could build around that bar and then get the most out of this space. So I could really tuck that back in the corner for the bed and then make the most out of the space for for the bedroom. I really like the dresser in terms of looks. It's pretty heavy. It's about 100 pounds. That one's off Wayfair as well. So a little closet here, kind of went with a closet organizer, two racks, and the bars. Not huge, but will work really well for what we're doing here. And then the desk, honestly, I technically ordered a like metal and glass desk, and somehow these came. By chance, they fit well with what's going on. The other bedroom is pretty much a mirror image, so we don't have to go through it. We did, again, have to do a lot of work to these walls. They're not perfect, but man, are they just a ton better than they were. And then the bathroom really turned out nice. We got the tile, the main tile there, the porcelain, and then the 3D mosaic for the soapbox from a local supplier here in town, and then finish it off with Delta fixtures. Left the cast iron. So left that cast iron tub in place, went through and cleaned it. Actually, there's a video, so if you're interested, there's a video on how to clean a cast iron. Did a bunch of different methods of cleaning. It was fun. Little vanity, looks good. And then got the little box there next to the vanity to match up. And then on this side, little tucked away toilet. I had to, kind of like that bed frame, I had to disassemble that little thing to get it around the toilet because the toilet's so close to the wall. But that'll at least give us a little storage for towels and stuff. Again, small bathroom, but overall really good. So that's it. Hopefully this gives you a feel if you guys are doing a little project, kind of redoing and want some ideas. We obviously went with kind of a modern gray to white theme. And then we do not have all the decorations, but we're going to put in some more shelving. Let's say, maybe a picture here and on the walls. And then that's going to really bring the color. So we'll bring the color through with the decorations, which are not in place yet. All right, time for me to relax. This has been pretty busy. 27 days. So 27 days to get from video 1 in this series to video 3. Pretty much every day, going out, getting materials, designing, ordering things online through Wayfair or Cabinet Giant, making decisions. And then the guys did an awesome job that were helping me on this project. So super happy. Maybe not ready for the next one to start right away, but overall it went really well. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I'll put pretty much everything in the descriptions. I'll put all the links to the items that you saw that I got predominantly from Wayfair, except for a little bit in the living room, which was a Kia and then a local store for the couch. So you'll see that in the description if you wanted, if one of those would fit well in one of your projects or maybe your home. And then if you're interested and like these type of videos, or maybe just videos about repairing things around your houses or rental properties, if you have some, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I try to get videos out maybe every other week is kind of the cadence I'm going now. So there'll be new ones coming out all the time. And I appreciate you guys watching this far. And again, my name is Scott with Everyday Home Repairs. Take care.